Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our sense organ video. In the previous classes, already we have studied about that the structure of eye, the parts of the eye and function of the eye. In the last video, we have studied how do we see, what is the function of the vision. And in that video, we are going to study about that the common defect of the eye. Let us see what are the defect of the eye. See student, this is a normal vision. In the last video I explained about that how do we see. The reflection of the object, the rays is passing from cornea, iris, conjunctiva, lens, aqueous chamber, vitreous chamber, and the image form on the retina, on the yellow spot. But some defect, the person is not able to see properly. First of all, we will see the myopia and hyperopia. It is also called as a hypermetropia. First of all, we will see the myopia. Myopia is also called as the near sightedness, otherwise short sightedness. It is called as the near sightedness. Near sightedness means what? In the condition the person is able to see the near object clearly. Near sightedness means the person is able to see the near object clearly, but the person cannot see the distinct object clearly. The distinct object is a blur. This condition is called as the myopia. It is also called as nearsightedness. Nearsightedness means the person can see the near object clearly, but distinct object is a blur. What is the reason behind this condition? See student, this is the structure of our eyeball. This is the structure, but when the eyeball are elongate, lengthen from front to the back, the eyeball is elongate like that, and the lens is too curved, so the image is formed in front of the retina. This is the retina. There is a yellow spot. In the normal vision, the image form on the yellow spot, so we can see properly. But in the myopia, what happened? The eyeball is elongated, so there is a retina. The image in form in front of the retina, means the image is formed in the vitreous chamber, so the person cannot see the distinct object. Near object, no problem, the person can see the near object, but the person cannot able to see the distinct object. Understood what is meant by myopia and what is the reason behind the myopia? There are two reasons. First, the eyeball is elongated and the lens is a too curved. Due to this reason, the person are not able to see the far object. And how do we correction of the myopia? See, in the myopia, by using the concave lens, you know that the concave lens diverges the rays. Means by whenever the person is suffering from myopia, their spec is using the concave lens. The concave lens is converge the rays. Then in our eye have a present the natural convex lens. Then the lens is in the concave lens are diverge the rays, and the concave is converge on the one point retina. Means by using the concave lens, which cause the light ray to diverge before they strike to the lens of the eye, and the image is formed on the retina. Understood what is meant by myopia? Myopia is called as nearsightedness. Means in the condition the person can see the near object clearly, but the far object is not seen clearly. It is a appear blur. And what is the reason behind it? The eyeball is elongated and the lens too curved, so the image is formed in front of the retina, means it is formed in the vitreous chamber, and this defect is corrected by using the concave lens. Understood? Means in your many classmate, their spectral number is a minus, means the person is suffering from the myopia. In the physics you also study about that in the topic of lens, refraction, refraction of light, whatever. Got it? Next is the hyperopia. Hyperopia, it is also called as a hypermetropia. It is also called as the far-sightedness, otherwise long-sightedness. Means in the condition it is difficult to see the near object, means the person is able to see the far object clearly, but in the near object is a blur. And what is the reason behind this? The eyeball is a shorter. In that condition the eyeball is elongated like that, but in that condition the eyeball is shorter, and in the condition the lens is a curve, means this both condition is opposite to each other. And in the hyperopia, in the condition the eyeball is a flat. It condition is a curve, it is a flat. So what happened? The image is formed in behind the retina. In the normal vision the image is formed on the yellow spot, but in the hyperopia, far-sightedness, the image is formed in behind the retina. So the person is not able to see the near object clearly. Understood? Both condition, it is very important, and this hyperopia is corrected by using the convex lens. Understood? Convex lens is converging the rays. This lens is required to correct it. Understood? Both defect of the eye, myopia and hyper. These two defect is very important on your exam view. Understood, student? Next eye defect is the astigmatism. Next eye defect is the astigmatism. Means what happened in the condition, means the person, see, this is the normal vision. This is the normal vision, is the normal lens, normal parts of the eye. What happened in the condition uneven curvature of the cornea? See, this is the cornea, you know, this is a transparent plate present over the iris, pupa, lens. This cornea is uneven, means it is a curvature of the cornea. It is the oval shape like. So what happened? The object are seen in many focus, means the object we can blur. See, if there is some object, some part of the object we can see, but another part of this object is the blur, and in that condition the curvature of cornea, the image is formed in many focus points, so we cannot see the object clearly. There is we can see the many focus, so we can see the blur object. And how does it corrected? By using the cylindrical lens. By using the cylindrical lens we can corrected this defect. Understood? What is mean by astigmatism? Astigmatism means the defect which some part of the object are seen in focus and other part is a blur. And why it arise? It arise by the uneven curvature of the cornea. The image is not formed on the yellow spot. Means why? Some image form on in front of the retina, some image are formed in behind the retina. Means multiple focal points are arises in that defect, so person cannot see the object clearly. And how does it corrected? By using the cylindrical lens, the astigmatism's defect is corrected. Understood? Next is the presbyopia. See, presbyopia, it is same like that. Long sightedness, far sightedness means hyperopia. It is the same, but it is the old age people affecting this condition, presbyopia. Means what happened in that condition? See, this is the normal vision of the means in the there is a ciliary muscle. These ciliary muscles are contract and relax, and due to these ciliary muscles the lens is flexible. Means when we want to see the far object, that times the lens is thinner, and when we want to see the near object, the lens become a rounded. Means the lens have a flexibility. But what happen in the old age peoples, their muscles lost their flexibility, and lens is also lost their flexibility. So the person is not able to see the near object clearly. It is same that the far sightedness, means by using the convex lens the corrected the presbyopia. Understood what is mean by presbyopia? The presbyopia, the condition is affected in old age people. In the old age, their flexibility of muscle, flexibility of lens is lost. So the person is not able to see the near object clearly, and this again corrected by the convex lens. Understood? It is the same as the farsightedness, but in the condition is occur in the old age people. Understood what is mean by presbyopia? Next is the cataract. You are familiar because in your house the old age people, they are suffering the cataract. Means what happen in that condition, the lens become opaque, white, so the person is cannot see the vision. It is also even the blindness. It is only the one defect is corrected by the surgically. In the old age time, the surgically the lens, the natural lens which is present, it's removed, and the person is using the high convex lens spectacles. But nowadays what happened, the new technique, the small plastic lens is implanted. The small plastic lens is implanted in front of the iris, otherwise inside the iris. Understood? This is, and this condition, and in that way the cataract is corrected. Understood what is mean by cataract? Cataract means, see, this is the lens, means the lens is a blur, opaque, so person cannot see, cannot focus on the object, and only the cataract is corrected by the surgically. Most of the nowadays using the small plastic lens is implanted in behind or in front of the iris. You know, this is the part of iris, it is implanted over the iris, otherwise behind the iris, and corrected the defect. Understood? Next defect is the color blindness and night blindness. See student, color blindness, it is the genetic defect. Means in the genetic lesson you have what is mean by the X-linked inheritance. Means the some genes is inherit by the parents to the offspring. The color blindness means by birth the person cannot discriminate between the red and green color, and most of this defect is occur in the male. Because why? In the genetics you have in the female 2 sex chromosome, but in the male only 1 X chromosome. In the female 2 X chromosome, the one is defected, another is the clear, so the person is not suffering from the color blindness. But in the male only X1 X chromosomes, and these chromosome is defected. For the color blindness, the male characters is inherit this defect. Understood what is mean by color blindness? Color blindness, by birth the person cannot discriminate the red and green color, and this is the due to the genetic defect. Mostly the male is suffer from the defect, where female is a rare case. Understood? And night blindness, in the previous video I explained about that. The retina have a two type cell, cone cell and rod cell. The rod cell secrete the rhodopsin pigment, and due to this rhodopsin pigment we can able to see in the night. But deficiency of vitamin B, the person the rod cell is not able to secrete the rhodopsin pigment, and due to this condition the person is not able to see in the night, otherwise in the dim light. This condition is called as the night blindness. Understood, student? Next is the corneal opacity. Cornea. In the previous video I explained about that. Cornea is very important part of the eyes. Means the 60% of the functioning of the vision is performing by the cornea. But in the some patient, the cornea turn white, opaque, non-functioning. The person is not able to see. Even the blindness, that times the defective cornea is replaced and implant the healthy cornea from denoted to the healthy person. Means the corneal opacity means the cornea become white, blur, the person is not see the properly, even it is not corrected on the proper time, the person become a blind. And how does it corrected? It corrected implanting the healthy cornea from the denoted healthy person. Understood? Corneal opacity. Next is the squint. You know, most of the peoples, maybe you might have seen the squint, means the in the two cross eye and wide eye, means the eye converge the leading. This is called cross eye. Means the opposite condition is appear. See, this is the, you know that what is the part. This is the iris, eyeball. Means they have not in the proper place. They have in the cross condition, means in the that side, otherwise one is that side, another is that side. This is the wide eyes, cross wide, both condition. The double vision, diplopia, it is called as diplopia. The person is not able to focus on the one object, focus on the, it is called diplopia. And this defect is corrected by surgically, otherwise some suitable exercise the person can correct this defect. Squint. Understood what we have studied? There are many defects related to our eye. Let us revise. We have studied in that video. It is very important. Myopia and hyperopia. It is also called as the nearsightedness and farsightedness. Next is the astigmatism. It is the arise by uneven curvature of the cornea. Then presbyopia, the person the loss the flexibility of the lens, flexibility of the muscles. This defect is occur in the old age. By using the convex lens, this defect by corrected. Next is the cataract, means the lens become opaque, white. By using the surgically, this defect we can correct it. Otherwise we can implant the plastic lens in behind the iris, otherwise in front of the iris, and we can corrected this defect. Next is the color blindness. It is the genetic defect. And night blindness in the rod cells is decrease the secretion of rhodopsin pigment. The person is not able to see in the night, otherwise in dim light. Corneal opacity means the cornea become white, opaque, and due to this opaque the person cannot see. Even it is negligible, the person become a blind. So by the transplanting, by implanting the replace the healthy cornea from the healthy person, we can corrected the corneal opacity. And squint in the two-way, cross-eye and wide eyes. Both condition may causes the double vision. Diplopia it is also called. Surgically, otherwise the some suitable exercise we can corrected this defect. Understood, student, what we have studied today's video? In the next video I will going to explain the new topic, the air. Thank you.